what's going on? I'm Steve and hope you're doing amazing. This is one of the coolest songs from the 80s. It's Bryan Adams' Summer of 69, but I think he was like 4 years old in the summer of 69 or something ridiculous like that. Anyway, it's a great song and we're gonna learn it really fast in under 3 minutes. So let's start off here with no capo in D major, and you wanna hit the low parts of the D major and palm mute. So open D string, second fret of the G string, third fret of the B string, and go. Like that. Then you go to an A major. I just laid my finger down because you're really only hitting the low notes, the low 3 strings of that A major. Palm muting, try real hard, whatever, 5 and dime. D, played until my fingers bled. A, Summer of 69. Then does the same things over and over again until you get to shoulda known we never get that far. Then it goes to a B minor, B minor, B minor, A major. When I look back now, D major, the summer seemed good. G major, last forever. B minor, if I had the choice. A, D, G, B minor. Those were the A major best days of my life. And it goes like this. It's not that hard. You basically play a D major and remove the high E string and go like this. Just walk it down the D major, back on to a regular D major. Now put your pinky on the 3rd fret of that E string, back off, open again, back to a D major, and then it goes to an A major. Very cool. So it's A major with the open B string, and you really walk that up, open, second, third, second of that A string, like that, and back to a regular A major. So it's not that hard. And then it does the verses and choruses again. Now in the middle it does this bridge and goes, "You were young and restless and so that's an F major to a B flat. It looks like I'm playing something else, but it's a B flat. I just play it like this, like that with my thumb, B flat. C major, you can play a regular C, but I do the bar chord because you got to go right back to a B flat. F and the last 4, B flat, C, forever now, and back up to D. Thing we just learned right there, and then you know, and that's when I met you, and back to B minor, up to D major. So it just repeats that part a number of times until the song ends really nicely. All right, let me know what you think about this one, and I'll catch you around for some more lessons later.